in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable energy saver mode on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select System, and then on the right side, scroll down and select Power. And there should be an item that says Energy Saver, reduce power consumption, increase battery life by limiting some background activities. Select that, and then toggle the option to always use Energy Saver to the on position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.